Standing where the waves meet the edge of the stone, silver in my beard like the ocean foam. The tide keeps crashing, whispering my name. The sea remembers things I can't reclaim. Years scattered like seagulls in the wind, faces on the water where my life has been. Every choice I made, every road I've run, the sea remembers what's known to no one. The sea holds secrets deeper than the night. Every love I lost, every wrong I set right. With every surging wave, the past comes alive. The sea remembers things I've yet to derive. Salt on my lips tastes like yesterday. Horizon keeps moving, but I've chosen to stay. Seeking for forgiveness in the endless blue. The sea remembers when I was true. Let the storms rage and the thunders roll. I've weathered much worse within my soul. Standing in the silence, I finally see the sea remembers, but it won't judge me. The sea holds secrets deeper than the night. Every love I lost, every wrong I set right. With every surging wave, the past comes alive. The sea remembers things I've yet to derive. So I'll stand here breathing, letting it be what the sea remembers will set me free. Set me free. Watch 1,000 sunsets fade to black. Carried every burden on my back. Now I'm standing at the edge of what I know. One more wave is calling, it's time to go. Say a man should settle, find his peace, but there's a restless fire that won't cease. This is the last wave, rising from the deep, the final promise that I'm meaning to keep. No turning back now, I've made my choice. The ocean's roaring with my father's voice. Is the last wave. This moment's all I have, all I need. The last wave rises, and I'm finally free. And when they find me standing in the foam, they'll know I chose to ride the last wave home. Color's gone from everything I see. The shades of gray between the sky and me. No sun to warm my face, no stars at night. Just endless gray, and that's alright. I used to chase the rainbow's brightest hue, believed in golden mornings, skies are blue. But seasons change and so do dreams we hold. The gray sky teaches what the bright never told. Under gray skies I found a different kind of peace, but wanting more has finally ceased. No blazing colors, no dramatic fall, just gray skies holding me through it all. Under gray skies I'm learning how to breathe. There's beauty in the silence, in the rain, a gentle wisdom in the absence of pain. Not happiness, but something close to calm. The gray sky whispers like a healing balm. I don't need sunshine anymore to see. The gray has shown me who I'm meant to be. Not lost, not found, just somewhere in between. The quietest place I've ever been. Under gray skies I found a different kind of peace, where wanting more Footprints in the sand, they disappear, like all the years that brought me here. The tide erases everything I've done, but somehow I keep walking toward the sun. Each wave that breaks upon the shore is like the days I can't restore. Memories float like bottles in the sea. Some wash ashore, some drift away from me. On the shoreline of time, where the water meets the land, I'm holding every moment like grains of sand. The past keeps piling, but the future calls my name, standing on the shoreline of time. Nothing stays the same. I see my younger self out in the waves, so fearless then, so bold and brave. Now I'm the one who watches from the beach, knowing some things are beyond my reach. It's just a guide leading me along this endless tide. Every ending is a new begin. The shoreline curves but never ends. On the shoreline of time, where the water meets the land, I'm holding every moment like grains of sand. The past keeps calls my name, standing on the shoreline of time. And nothing stays the same. So I walk this line between the sea and sky, shoreline of time, until the day I no hand to hold, no voice to hear, just me and the wind out here. I chose this road, I chose this life. No children, no home, no wife. Some men need a crowd to feel alive, but I need silence to survive. The world can't keep its noise and fame. I'm just a man without a name. I'm a man standing alone on the edge of the world, where the flags of belonging will never be unfurled. I don't need saving, I don't need found. I'm a man standing alone on sacred sacred ground. They say the loneliness will break your heart, but mine's been broken from the start. And in the pieces I found something true, that I'm enough. Just passing through, freedom tastes like salt and stone. It's a price you pay when you're alone. But I'd rather have this empty space than lose myself in someone else's place. I'm a man standing alone on the edge of the world, where the flags of belonging will never be unfurled. I don't need saving, I don't need found. I'm a man standing alone on sacred let me be. Man standing alone and finally free. These silver threads upon my chin tell stories of the places I've been. Each gray hair earned through joy and pain, each one a lesson, each one a name. When I was young, I chased the gold. Now I've grown comfortable with old. Though the mirror shows a stranger's face, but in his eyes I see my grace. This is the song of a silver beard, of all the things I've learned and feared, of battles fought and scars that heal, the truth that time has now revealed. This is the song my father sang to me. I've buried friends and planted trees, I've begged for mercy on my knees. I've loved and lost and loved again, and learned that wisdom lives in pain. If I could tell my younger self one thing, it's not the destination but the wandering. The silver comes to all who stay and wear it proud, come what may. This is the song of a silver beard, of all the things I've learned and feared, of battles fought and scars that healed,
stars sang to me. So when my son sees silver in his glass, he'll sing this song and let it pass. From beard to beard, from soul to soul, the silver song that makes us whole.
Under moonlight I can finally speak the words that make me feel so weak, the truths I've buried deep inside, the shame and secrets that I hide. I've worn a mask for far too long, pretended that I'm brave and strong, but in the silver lunar glow I'll tell you things you need to know. This is my confession under moonlight, all the wrongs I couldn't make right, every lie I told, every oath I broke, every prayer I prayed that went up in smoke. Under moonlight I confess I'm just a man. I've heard the ones who love me most, I've been a stranger, been a ghost. I've chosen silence over truth, I've wasted precious years of you. The moon won't judge, she only listens. In her light my conscience glistens. All the darkness that I've known doesn't mean I made a stone. This is my confession under moonlight, all the wrongs I couldn't make right, every lie I told, every oath I broke, every prayer I prayed that went up in smoke. Under moonlight I confess I'm just a man. Tomorrow when the sun returns, I'll carry what the moonlight learned. Speaking truth can set you free, even if it's just to me. Even if it's just to me. Spring came and went without a word. The songs of love I'd never heard. Summer burned too bright too fast, leaving nothing but the past. Autumn took the colors from the trees, took the warmth from summer's breeze. Winter froze the tears I couldn't cry. Another season saying goodbye. These are the seasons I've let go, like falling leaves and melting snow. Every goodbye taught me how to grow. In the season I've let go. I've let go. Every goodbye taught me how to grow. In the seasons I've let go. Have set me free. Set me free. Set me free. Set me free. Set me Close your eyes and listen close to the rhythm that the ocean knows. Every wave a breath, a prayer, finding peace in salty air. No words to speak, no thoughts to chase, just the water's soft embrace. In the sound of waves I disappear, and everything becomes so clear. In the sound of waves I'm finally home. No longer lost, no longer alone. The ocean sings a song I've always known. In the sound of waves my soul has grown. Time dissolves like foam on sand. I let go of needing to work
and the sound of waves, and the sound of waves.
I put on my father's black suit today, the one he wore when he went away. It fits me now, after all these years. I see his ghost when I face the mirror. Walking streets I used to know, they've changed, but memories still flow. The jazz club where we used to meet, now it's just an empty street. Returning a black suit to a time that's gone, to the places where I once belonged. Everything's different but feels the same. I came back home, but home has changed its name. The bar where she told me goodbye is now a bank, and I don't know why. That makes me sadder than the memory of her walking out on me. You can't go home, they always say, and standing here I know they're right. But wearing black I walk these streets tonight, a ghost among the living light. Returning a black suit to a time that's gone, to the places where I once belonged. Everything's different but feels the same. I came back home, but home has changed its name. So I'll take off this suit and fold it away, keep it for another rainy day, when I need to remember who I used to be, the man in black who set me free.